Today, I will share the number 1 exercise that transformed me Espanol and English and will skyrocket your Chinese too. That is 造句, making sentences. But it's more than just putting words together. I will walk you through the key tips and techniques step by step so you can do it right and make real progress. If you've been following this channel, you know that I taught myself Spanish. No es muy bueno, pero estoy contenta que mi español puedo platicar con mis amigos y hasta hablar por el teléfono con el banco. Mi secreto is I built a daily habit of making sentences, not just memorizing words. Because let's be honest, you study vocabulary, but when it's time to speak, your brain goes blank. That's because memorizing words is like collecting Lego bricks without building anything. So you can have 1,000 of pieces, but if you don't know how to connect them, you just have a pile of plastics, not a spaceship. And that's why 造句is a game changer. It's a bridge between knowing Chinese and actually using it. So let's see how to do this 造句 exercise. Step 1. Find the perfect example sentence. Start with a great sentence. It's like a recipe. You wouldn't bake a cake without a good recipe, right? So your example sentence must meet 3 important criteria. First, real-life relevant. It should be something you would actually say. Better say, my phone is out of battery than dinosaurs are big, although it's true. Second, level appropriate. The grammar should match your current Chinese level. You need to fully understand the sentence. It shouldn't feel overwhelming. Third, it must teach you something useful. Your sentence should include either a key function word, a practical sentence pattern, or a high-frequency expression that helps you communicate in real-life situations. If you don't know where to find this kind of recipe sentences, we've created hundreds for you in the Full Understanding courses, tailored to your level and goals. It saves you hours of guesswork and trial and error. The link is down below in the description box. So now, step 2. Build your own sentence. Now use your example sentence like a recipe. Change 1 or 2 parts, but keep the original structure. This way you can avoid mistakes while flexing creativity. For example, we take this sentence from our course. 我的车没油了，我得去加油。My car is out of gas. I need to go refuel. And by changing a few parts, we can make sentence. 我的手机没电了，我得充电。Or 我没钱了，我得努力工作。You see what's happening? You're building fluency without making mistakes. Let's take this example sentence from the course. 你必须9点以前回家。You must be home by 9 o'clock. And we'll change some words, make our own sentences. 我必须6月以前搬家。Or 你必须6点以前完成作业。This will help you think in Chinese. Now let's try this slightly longer sentence. 这套西装很好看，就是有点爱皱。This suit is really good looking, but it's a little prone to wrinkle. Here, 就是 adds a soft contrast or gentle criticism. We need this in our real life. So let's try rewrite it. We will change some words in it. 这首歌很好听，就是太长了。Or 这个地方很漂亮，就是有点冷。So a sentence like this teaches you how to express subtle opinions without sounding complaining. A very powerful skill. So do this just for 5 minutes a day. Track your progress. In 30 days, you will shock yourself. And if you want all the example sentences, patterns, and step-by-step guidance, check out our courses. It's all done for you. Let's end the lesson with our homework. Now your turn. Take this sentence. 你的裙子太短了吧? We're using 吧 at the end to soften the tone and express a gentle suggestion or concern instead of sounding too direct. Now you change some words in this sentence and try your own version. Drop your sentence in the comment. I'll be reading them. So that's the lesson for today. 那谢谢你收看我的视频，希望你喜欢。那我们下周再见，再见。